When you buy a new Windows computer, this is how it should look like out of the box. Absolutely zero load and zero pre-installed stuff we did not ask for. We of course have the Microsoft Store, Edge, all the stuff that Windows relies on, so instability is not really an issue here. And of course we have low process count and low memory being used, despite only having 8 gigs of memory, as you can see. I'm not going to waste any more time. Let me show you how to get this done. To do this, you need a 8GB flash drive, and we need to download the Windows 11 ISO. I'm going to show you in a bit, and Rufus. So to download the Windows 11 ISO, head over to Microsoft's website. I'm going to be linking it down below in the description. Scroll down a little bit until you find download Windows 11 disk image. I'm going to select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, and then I'm going to confirm. Select the region. I'm going to choose United States, and then download. While your ISO is downloading, we are going to go ahead and download Rufus from rufus.ie. Scroll down a little bit and then choose Rufus 4.13exe and download it. After that, we are going to be using the Titus tool, which is going to be on his website, but I will also be linking it down below. Feel free to go check him out. After your ISO has been downloaded, go ahead and launch Powershell as an administrator. Paste in the command. It's going to look like this at first. We're going to go to Win11 Creator, and then we're going to select the ISO, which is downloaded. If you have a specific Wi-Fi card, feel free to choose this option, which is going to inject your Wi-Fi card drivers into the system. I'm going to leave it empty. After selecting the ISO, we're going to go ahead and mount and verify ISO. Then we're going to click Run Windows ISO Modification and Create. Once it finishes, go ahead and plug in your USB flash drive and launch Rufus. Make sure you have selected the right flash drive. Select disk or ISO image and then select the file. For the image option, leave it as is. Do not go with Windows to go. We do not want this option. Click Start and uncheck everything. Hit OK. Once it finishes copying the ISO files over to the drive, we're going to go ahead and install Windows. Alright, so once everything is done, we should have something that looks like this. And before tweaking anything any further, I highly recommend that you go ahead and download the latest Windows updates, just to make sure that before changing anything, you have everything in place. And just as a side note, you might run into a small problem while trying to update Windows. This is very normal for the first time. Just go ahead and reboot your PC and it should have no problem at all after that. And there you have it. Windows deploted, nothing pre-installed on it. If you have any questions or you run into any problems, just let me know down in the comments and I'm gonna try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.